From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of dry air in your home, making your skin feel tight and itchy? I've got the solution for you, introducing the LEVOIT Superior 6000S Smart Evaporative Humidifier. This game-changing device can quickly raise humidity from 30 to 60%, providing fast and even moisture throughout large rooms, covering up to 3,000 square feet. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed, as it provides a premium solution to dry air. With the LEVOIT Superior 6000S, you can enjoy up to 72 hours of continuous humidification on low fan speed, maintaining a comfortable humidity level above 30%, and with a 6-gallon tank, you'll have fewer refills to worry about. The Evaporative technology is tap water compatible, delivering natural, mist-free humidity without any white dust, wet floors, or wet furniture, giving you clean humidity for your family. You'll notice the difference in the air, feeling softer and more comfortable on your skin. The improved sensing technology keeps the room from getting too dry or too damp, providing more balanced comfort, and the hassle-free clean design makes maintenance a breeze, with an easy-to-remove detachable pump. This makes deep cleaning simpler, faster, and more hygienic for your family. Whether you're looking to relieve dry skin, or just want to create a more comfortable living space, the LEVOIT Superior 6000S is the perfect solution. Its smart technology and long runtime make it a cut above the rest, and I highly recommend giving it a try. You won't be disappointed with the results. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.